Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and pay your CIBC Costco Mastercard bill. Okay, so you come here on their website, click on a bill payments here at the home section of the left-hand panel, click on bill payments. So basically to add a new pay, you want to go ahead and select add or edit pays under bill payments. Okay, so you come here and you can click on this option by the check mark. So you can click on that, and then I can click on this, okay, the checking account right here. I can click on that, can enter the amount. Then I can click on this icon right here. So here, as you can see, I can come here and press on next. Okay, so I'll be paying all of these bills off. So I'll click on next right here. So here it says pay bills. So this is the verification, shows you the amount. Okay, we're going to be paying. Can click on pay bills. There we go. And we're done. So we have successfully paid the following bills. So the bill I had selected, we have paid that one, as you can see right here. And there you go. You can just click on finish. Really that easy and simple. And if you want to do this from their mobile app, just go ahead and launch the app. Okay. Then come here where you see your checking account. Click on these three dots. Click on pay a bill. Come here, click on pay a bill again. Tap on and enter the amount. Choose the payee. Select the account. Choose the date, right? You can also set up a recurring payment. And then by, selecting from here how often, then here click on next. Okay? So they're going to give you this prompt basically to verify that you're aware that you're about to make this payment to them. If you want to proceed, just click on yes and you'll get a confirmation message. Okay, then just click on finish. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.